Hello there, this is Paul from the Daily Dose, and let's take a look at some new and really cool cars coming soon from Hot Wheels, Matchbox, Majorette, and a lot more. So I hope you enjoy the show. This will be a quick one, and let's start with this first. Some brand new Hot Wheels main lines for this year. First up, this 1970 Pontiac Firebird in this purple colorway. At 70 on the side, of course, representing the year it was made. Again, 1970 Pontiac Firebird. Chrome engine for this, chrome interior also. No details up front and on the rear though, so it just has like side and top tampos for this one. But yeah, still a fantastic looking mainline Firebird. And right here, another release, another variant of the wonderful looking car, the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. So yeah, it has like a Golf livery, not your typical like Golf livery colors for this, and yeah, it looks really lovely. Doesn't have rear tampos for this though. I really don't like where the cars just have like a blank everything on the rear and up front for this, again specifically on the rear. So I don't like that. They could have just added just some minor details, and that would make this more awesome looking than it is already. So anyways, yeah, let's take a look at some really cool looking cars from Matchbox. These are like mix of Matchbox fire trucks and Matchbox construction vehicles. If you know the names, the specific names of like each casting, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll just show it to you guys how cool the cars are for the Matchbox construction and Matchbox fire trucks that they have. The Matchbox really are known with their like construction vehicles, the service vehicles, the fire trucks. Even when I was a kid growing up, that's what I mostly bought from Matchbox. And I was a bigger like Matchbox a buyer or a collector back then when I was a kid than a Hot Wheels collector. And yeah, let's look at this. This is really cool. This is from Majorette, another really classic car that they have, and it's really cool that Majorette is, I think, the only one who has this in this price range, the Citroen DS19. And again, lovely looking casting. It has like opening doors, as you see it there with the gap, and pretty cool details on the Citroen DS19. And I really appreciate Majorette for making like some of the most unique castings out there. And look at this. This is a really cool one. This is from Modeler's Model, unfamiliar brand for me honestly. And this is their volume 13 Project D support van in white, and that Kyoko Iwase RX7 in black. This is die-cast made, so I'm really happy with that one because at first I thought that it was like resin made. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of the resin made model cars. I prefer die-cast cars. They're more durable. And just look at this. I think that one you can close and open the headlights, so really cool feature on the RX7, and plus amazing details on both cars. And surprisingly, I really prefer the support van than the RX7 because we don't see that a lot quite often. So big fan of this. This will be released June of this year. I don't have a clue how much this is exactly, but let's see once this will be out, and I will update you in the future about this one. And something new from Mini GT. They're available, by the way, for pre-orders right now. They have this set once again, and this time the Lancia Delta HF Integrale Evolution 1992 Rally Monte Carlo Martini Racing. Has this like 4-car limited edition box set, and I think only 5,000 pieces will be released worldwide. I remember in the past they did release like I think the first one was the Mercedes-Benz. I forgot what model exactly. Yeah, same 4-car box set. Then they have the 4 GT, and this one. Just correct me in the comment section below what I missed. But yeah, this is so cool, and you can see also the details on each cars. I do like the one with like the mud effects, the number 4, 5, 6 right there. So really like that. That's my favorite out of the 4 here. And yeah, that is all for today. Just a quick update. I'm trying to get it below 8 minutes, so again you guys can watch it straight, and there's not too much ads going on. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this show. Please like the video, subscribe, and see you on our next episode. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless. Bye bye.